Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar on 24th July invited industry leaders to partner with the Karnataka government in shaping the state's next phase of growth and unveiled his vision to expand development beyond Bengaluru. Addressing CEOs at a breakfast meeting, he announced plans to expand world-class infrastructure beyond Bengaluru, establish an AI university with industry participation, and introduce new policies to strengthen Karnataka's technology ecosystem. D.K. Shivakumar highlighted Bengaluru's talent pool and innovation ecosystem as the city's biggest strengths, crediting the people and companies that have transformed it into India's technology capital, calling industry leaders the ambassadors of Bengaluru and ambassadors of Karnataka. He noted that many who arrived in the city decades ago chose to stay because of its opportunities and exceptional talent. Highlighting Karnataka's economic performance, the Chief Minister stated that software exports have crossed 4.36 lakh crore rupees and are expected to exceed 5.5 lakh crore rupees this year. He noted that behind every economic milestone is a young engineer securing a first job, a developer solving problems, and a family moving closer to its aspirations. He pointed out that Karnataka's global capability centers have evolved from back office operations into hubs of innovation, product development, and high-value work. He also noted that Bengaluru continues to lead India in office market absorption. Recalling his interactions with global leaders during the World Economic Forum in Davos, Shivakumar explained that companies continue to choose Bengaluru due to its talent, ecosystem, and cost advantages. He noted that companies have told the government that work costing $3.50 elsewhere can be achieved in Bengaluru for nearly $1 because of the city's talent, ecosystem, and human capital. The Chief Minister announced that within 100 days, the government will introduce a policy encouraging industries to establish operations beyond Bengaluru by providing world-class office infrastructure in other cities across Karnataka at affordable rates, including office space for as little as 50 cents per square foot. He highlighted the government's new IT, space technology, and startup policies focusing on deep tech, digital infrastructure, research, industry academia, collaboration, and entrepreneurship. He also mentioned Karnataka's quantum roadmap aimed at accelerating the commercialization of emerging technologies. Shivakumar announced the establishment of an AI university in partnership with industry and revealed that detailed discussions had been held with Google on the initiative. He stressed that the university would not be built by the government alone and that industry should take the lead while the government provides support. The AI university will serve as a center for learning, innovation, collaboration, and public digital access with a vision to introduce AI education to rural students from class 6 onwards. He also announced the Bengaluru Robotics and Innovation Zone and the Sustainable Data Center Policy 2026-31, aimed at creating environmentally sustainable digital infrastructure supported by land, power, water, connectivity, and renewable energy. Emphasizing balanced regional development, Shivakumar remarked, Bengaluru is our crown, but Karnataka is our heart, and stated that cities such as Mysuru, Hubli, Dharwad, Mangaluru, and Belagavi should emerge as major technology and investment destinations. The Chief Minister urged companies to adopt one government school each under their CSR initiatives to improve infrastructure, classrooms, teacher training, and learning outcomes. He pointed out that the government spends more than 1 lakh rupees per child on government education but continues to face teacher vacancies, stressing that the government alone cannot address every challenge. He appealed to the corporate sector to partner in strengthening education and added that healthcare would be the next major focus area. Acknowledging Bengaluru's infrastructure and mobility challenges, D.K. Shivakumar reiterated that the government is addressing these issues seriously and stressed the importance of cooperation between industry and government. He invited CEOs to participate in the Bengaluru Tech Summit scheduled from November 17 to 19 at the Bangalore International Exhibition Centre, describing it as not just a conference but a platform for policy, partnerships and outcomes. Concluding his address, Shivakumar reaffirmed that Karnataka is seeking long-term partnerships rather than short-term investments, stating that we want to grow with you. If you are strong, Karnataka is strong. Home and ITBT Minister Priyank Kharge, Sharad Bachegowda and senior bureaucrats were also present at the breakfast meeting. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.
English ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ
all of them to invest not on the towns. So we want a curriculum also, we will be planning for that. So that is why I request all of them to be part of the next Bengaluru Tech Summit. I think all these CEOs came, I think they are very open. They agree how government is trying to take things forward. So this Tech Summit is globally. We want to keep the name of whatever Karnataka, our leaders have made, our talented guys have built their Bangalore. So we work together.